Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a video where I'm actually testing out this lash lift kit. It's like Amazon's favorite or something. I'll link it in the description below if you want to try it out. I've literally never ever done a like at-home lash kit. I can't speak. I've never ever done a lash kit that you can do at home. So I've never even had a lash lift done myself, which should I have had one done? I don't know. My eyelashes are really, I don't know how to explain it, but they just look old. I don't know what I'm saying. You know how people have really nice natural like long black eyelashes? Mine are really stubby and like a weird color, so it might work but it might not look very nice, so we'll see. But yeah, so this one is called the ICONSIGN Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. Also, I don't know if I've said, but Mars is in the background, so if you see him, just ignore him. So it says it comes with 4 perm lotion, 1 glue, 5 size lift pads and a cleaning tool. So I'll briefly go over what the back says. So that's the back. It comes with like ingredients, directions on how to use it, and just everything else you kind of need to know. I won't go through it in depth because if you want to get it, you can just look on like Amazon. It has everything listed down. There's quite a few little like safety precaution points. Basically, don't get it on your skin. It'll be really bad if you do. I'm actually scared for this because I'm so clumsy and things like this don't often work out well. So it pretty much gives you all the kind of stuff that you'll need. You do need cling film. Right, so you open it. This is my first time opening it as well. Okay, so it comes like with a little manual. It tells you exactly what to do, which is quite handy. I thought I was going to have to use the back bit because it's got directions there, but it actually comes with a manual. This is the inside, so you open it. It has this, and then it's got all those things. I don't know what they are, but all these things I'm guessing I'm gonna need. I feel like I'm gonna need cotton buds, but does it say I do? And the first and the most simple thing it says is that I need to like rinse my eyes from dust or anything. So I'm just gonna put some makeup remover onto the pad and just clean it quickly. That is like the most simple thing I understand. The rest is a bit confusing. Then it says cover eyelashes with the eye pads. So I've just watched a video of somebody like doing this whole process. I'm not gonna lie, it looked a lot more complicated than I actually thought it would be, but I'm gonna give it a go anyways, and hopefully I will not damage or blind myself whilst I'm doing this. If you do decide that you want to get this, I'm gonna link the video that I just watched because I really recommend you watching that so you know what you kind of have to do before you do it. So you get a few of these. These are the cleaning tools, I believe, this one here. And then this is the lash lift brush thing. We'll just go for it. I am petrified, I'm not gonna lie. So I hope you guys actually enjoy this video, because if you don't, then this has all been for nothing and I'll probably blind myself in the process. So yeah, cover the eyelashes with eye pads. You need to put it as close as you can, so like there. Also, I'm gonna be doing this with one eye open, so it's gonna be like that. I literally can't like have this eye closed without my mouth being up. It's so weird. It is making my eyes water, that's the only problem. I'm guessing this is supposed to be a kit you can reuse. You only get 2 of these, so I'm not sure. So I'm guessing it's like that. Yeah, so you stick it down like that. I think the hardest thing is gonna be sticking it all down. Oh my god, my eyes are already watering. So I'm gonna put super glue on this. They give you a bag of these little things here. I'm trying to do this before my eyes start watering though. So close your eyes and then you basically need to super glue it as close as you can, so like that. Right, okay, so I'm gonna apply a bit of the glue. Obviously, if somebody's doing it for you, they can kind of hold it down, but if you're doing it yourself, you need to apply a bit of lash glue. In the video that I watched, it said to like leave it 10 seconds and then stick it on. That's like the most effective way of doing it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't think I need to cut this. I haven't cut mine, so we'll see how that turns out. So as close as you can, you should stick it to like your upper lash line, I believe. So I'm just gonna hold it down for a second. Okay, this isn't too bad now that I've actually got it on. Okay, so I've now applied that rubber thing. I don't know what it's called, lash lift silicone thing. Okay, so now that I've put this on, it's saying you put a bit of glue onto it, and then you basically one by one put your eyelash against it. So you apply it evenly, which is kind of hard to tell when you're like half blind. Okay, right. Obviously, this goes without saying that I'm not a professional lash lifter, so this is probably going to go wrong for me. So this is the little Y thing, and you basically push it up one by one. Oh, okay, this is coming off. Right, you know what? Let's start again. Okay, right, so I'm just gonna try and hold it down. And then you take like section by section and you like hold it against, but it's really hard to do. Nothing's really sticking. I don't get why. Kind of push it, there we go. Okay, so you're supposed to like one bit by one bit kind of do it. There we go. It is sticking, it's just taking its time. I do have quite a few like short ones as well. So I feel like the short ones will struggle like to stick. Why aren't you sticking? I've done the instructions. I don't know if this is rubbish or if I'm not doing it right or what. Why is it not sticking? Add a tiny bit more. I don't know if you're supposed to do that. There we go. The things I do for YouTube. I've done the lashes that I can. It literally looks like I've got no lashes, but the rest are refusing to cooperate. Okay, so then I get this one's perm. I don't know if it's in camera because I'm using one eye. I get that, then I get this little thing and I'm basically brushing it along each little thing. So then you just wob it in and then you just like put it against. Oh, this stinks, I can't lie. Okay, so it's not really sticking. It stinks of absolute poo, I'm not gonna lie. You can tell that it's like a proper strong chemical, if that makes sense. Right, so it says to go through it evenly and just spread it along. If I'm honest, with one eye is really difficult to do. First of all as well, look at this. How am I supposed to read that with one eye open? That's so tiny. So I'm guessing you just kind of wrap it around. Okay, I don't know if what I've done is like right. I now have to wait like 8 to 10 minutes to see the results. So I'm just gonna leave it and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Okay, so now I've just pulled off the thing. Okay, the cling film got stuck to this. My eyes are now stinging. I told you, I'm gonna go blind trying to do fun videos on YouTube. This video really is not going well. I low-key just wanna give up because this really is not going the way I planned. It said with this brush, I needed to remove it. It's got like a little bristle bit and then like that like flat bit. So I was kind of doing that when I was trying to push it up. So I'm guessing I've removed the excess amount of whatever the last thing was. Fixation thing, and then apply it again. Okay, so it's like a blue formula. Okay, so I've got one little bit of lash that I've done it against. So these ones over here are like kind of sticking, like towards the end. I don't know. I feel like I haven't done anything wrong in this video, so I don't know. I've listened to everything they said in the instructions, so I don't really understand where it all went wrong, if I'm honest. If anyone knows, please enlighten me, because I just wanted to have pretty lashes. That's the whole reason I bought this kit. I was like, you know what? I can't have false ones done. I may as well give myself a lash lift. And then you put the cling film over it. So then I have to do another 8 to 10 minutes. You do 8 if they're thin and 10 if they're a lot thicker. I don't know if I'm supposed to put it against it or what. So I'll be back in like 10 minutes once again, but I genuinely do not think I'm gonna have a good result with this. This just seems like an absolute fail. I could be blind after this as well, who knows. I'll see you in 10 minutes once this is finished marinating. I don't know where it's doing. Right, so I've done the second coating, I guess. It's been like 10 minutes, so take this off. If this is gone, this eye has gone very bad. I'm not gonna bother with my other one, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is so much effort for literally no result. Use the cleanser to clean off all residue with white brush. I think I'm just gonna put on a cotton pad and just use it. That brush is so like useless, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, definitely use a cotton pad instead of the white brush. So I'm taking this off. I think I've cleaned it as well as I can. Oh my god, it feels amazing to have this eye like free from all that. Right, so when I watched the video, what the woman did was she stuck it like inside. So you do that and then brush it through and then that's the finished result. Right now, it actually does look like it's lifted, which I didn't think it would. So maybe it wasn't as much of a fail as I thought. Why is it bubbling? Right, so I saw the person like literally dip it in like that and then brush it. So I guess it wasn't a complete fail. Like, I genuinely thought once I take that off, like my lashes wouldn't be like stood up like this. So you can definitely see a difference. It does actually look good. I'm quite happy with it. My eye has stopped stinging now, so maybe I'm actually all good. Maybe this actually worked out. I'm gonna do my other eye. I'm gonna do it off camera because I feel like it'll be a lot less stressful. And then I'll see how it looks. But I'm actually very happy with this result. It doesn't actually say how long it's supposed to last. So I'm gonna go do my other one now, and then I will show you the finished result together. So I just want to show you the mess that I've made from just doing lashes. Oh my god, my desk has never been messier. Okay, so I've done my other eyelash, which is this one. I don't know if you can like notice. I would say that one looks a bit messed up, I'm not gonna lie actually. Okay, so I don't really know if this was a success or a fail, if I'm honest. So you can see that one is 100% more lifted than that one. If I'm honest, I think this was probably more of a fail than a success. Like, I mean, that one turned out all right, like it actually did. That one doesn't really look that different. So I don't know, I probably like rate it like a 5 out of 10. I'm kind of disappointed, but I don't know. I don't know if it was the way that I did it, or if maybe the kit itself isn't the most reliable thing, or maybe I just got one where like something, I don't know, maybe maybe the lash glue wasn't as strong or something. I don't really know, but I just thought I'd give a little update. So it's been about a week now since I've done my lash lift. As you can see, this lash is still very much lifted. This one is just like normal, nothing, it literally looks as if I've done nothing to it. It lasts for a while. I was surprised. I didn't think this lash lift would actually last this long. I don't know, if I'm honest, now that it's been like a week, the day after I did the lash lift, my eyes got really puffy and kind of swelled up. I don't know if that's hay fever or if that was to do with the lash kit or what, because my eyes were stinging a bit when I did it, but that happened. Then apart from that, this lash here is actually stayed the same. I'm not even like brushed, I don't know if I should have done, but I've not even brushed it or anything. Like, it's just stayed like that. This one, I think I didn't do as well of a job as doing that one. Does that make sense? If I'm honest, I don't think I'll use it again. This is the thing, I don't know if it is the lash kit or what. It was very stressful. It wasn't easy to do, if I'm honest. It really was quite difficult, but that could just be me being a bit incompetent, if I'm honest, so I don't know. I genuinely think this is more of a fail than a success, just because it took so long to do, and I've edited most of the video already, and from the looks of it, I did everything that it said to. So I don't really know where it went wrong, if I'm honest. I mean, I did get a good result after my second try, but yeah, I don't know. You guys can make your own assumptions and opinions from it, but me personally, I don't think I'm gonna buy from them again, and I don't think I'm gonna use a kit again. It wasn't that great, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and found it useful. If not useful, entertaining, because I literally was a mess in that video. I genuinely was. My voice was so monotone because I was so stressed out. Like, it's actually so funny. But yeah, I hope you guys all really enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That all really means a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.